On October 17, 2020, at 3:59 p.m., Zamir Berry was abducted from Livingston, California. Zamir Berry is a 18-month-old black male, 2 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 25 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Zamir Berry is not wearing clothing. The suspect, Isaiah Berry, is a 26-year-old black male, standing 6 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 192 pounds with black hair and black eyes. Isaiah Berry is believed to be wearing a black t-shirt and black pants. Isaiah Berry is believed to be taking Zamir Berry to Stockton, San Joaquin County. If seen, call 911.